So the question is, are we going to sell out this project, which is the Pi network, or this is another opportunity to actually bag more into this portfolio, right? So this is what I'm going to be talking about in this particular video. And if you're owning Pi, you have to get this particular update so clear. So if you check out the article I actually read, so they say the Pi coin price at risk, and this is quite a massive, because I said in my last video I was talking about why Pi actually dropped about I said 20 million amount of Pi, so like that, but in naira, like in dollar, that is about $2.36 right now, millions dollars. And that is quite a massive, because from big it, and it is huge, and this is actually affecting this particular project, right? So I'm going to be diving more in deeper about what is currently happening and what I think we should actually do, right? So before I go further, remember, this is not a financial advice. This is for information and entertainment purpose only. So do well to take or make your own personal research before you jump into any of this particular project. And do not forget to give this video a thumb like. Please just like this video and let's continue the journey. So right now, so about 23% crash has actually happened into Pi. This is our highlight, and this is what we're going to be talking about. So this is our key point, this three top, and we can actually see the price actually go below 0.41, and this is actually leading to almost the all-time low for this particular project. So let me just show you. So I've been showing this in many of my videos. So if you check out this particular site, this is the data analysis of this project, and the all-time low actually happens at this particular site. We have 0.4012, and that was around January, February, March, April. Yeah, April of this particular year, like 2 months after they actually got launched, right? So this is stuff. And the third way we're talking about is actually like the money they actually take out in the last 24 hours, about 2 million naira, and that is quite massive. That is too much on this particular project, because what is actually making this project to stay is the capital and the liquidity that is actually being locked, that is holding. And I keep saying in my video, I said even Pi will have been dumped, like if assuming they did not allow us to lock our Pi then, because many people are actually locking their Pi now, and that is why we could not withdraw. And one of the reasons why Pi is actually standing firm at this particular moment, assuming all those stuff are not actually being locked at that time, I'm betting with you by now Pi will have gone down to like 0.00 something, and that is going to be a bad one. So one thing we need to know right here, we need to like allow investor to actually invest more into this particular project, and this is something that we need right here. So what should we actually do? And that's the conclusion of this particular video. So at this particular time, what I think is if I have more money, right, I'm kind of going to bag. It's actually a risk, I know, but I'm trying to go to bag a little more of this particular token, because I know there's actually going to be a second chance, like a bull run for this, and I'll always make sure to take profits immediately this actually comes ahead, because I just need 2x or whatever, then I'm out of it also. Then I buy when it's deep also, and that is how I'm going to like be doing for the for this particular project, right? So whatever you have in your portfolio right now is going down. If you know that you can't risk it anymore and it's going to go back to liquidity, just go ahead to sell out. But if you know that you can still hold and you can still top up, fine, it is good. But remember, all these are not financial advice. They are just for information and entertainment purpose only. It works for me, doesn't mean it will work for you. So do well to make your own further research before you jump into any of this stuff.